Dubai Municipality Food Safety Layout Approvals, complete guide for restaurants, cloud kitchens, cafeterias, and more. Hello everyone. Welcome to this detailed guide on Dubai Municipality Food Safety Layout Approvals. If you're planning to open a restaurant, cafe, cafeteria, cloud kitchen, catering facility, or any food establishment in Dubai, this is exactly what you need to know. Dubai has one of the most vibrant F&B scenes in the world, but opening or renovating any food business requires strict approval from Dubai Municipality, DM Food Safety Department. The layout approval is a mandatory step that ensures your kitchen and premises are designed hygienically, prevent cross-contamination, and follow the Dubai Food Code. Why layout approval is so important. Layout approval must be obtained before you start any fit-out or construction. Without it, you cannot get your final food license. The main goals are proper workflow to avoid cross-contamination between raw and cooked food, adequate space for preparation, cooking, storage, and cleaning, correct placement of equipment, sinks, ventilation, grease traps, and waste systems, full compliance with food safety standards. This applies to restaurants, cafes, cloud kitchens, cafeterias, central kitchens, food trucks, and more. Step-by-step approval process. Get your trade license from the Department of Economic Development, DED, or the relevant free zone. Prepare professional scaled layout drawings. Submit the drawings to Dubai Municipality Food Safety Department for review. Once approved, proceed with fit-out. DM conducts a final site inspection before issuing the food license. Key layout requirements. You must know minimum kitchen preparation areas, varies by type and size of business, clear segregation of raw, cooked, and ready-to-eat zones, non-slip, easy-to-clean floors, walls, and ceilings, sufficient hand-washing stations, 3-compartment sinks, and dedicated cleaning areas, proper ventilation, exhaust hoods, and grease trap installation, logical one-way workflow, adequate storage, dry plus refrigerated, and waste management. Cloud kitchens have slightly different needs. They focus heavily on efficient production and packaging areas, while full restaurants need to balance kitchen and dining flow. Common reasons for rejection. Avoid these: incomplete or low-quality drawings, wrong kitchen sizing, poor ventilation or missing grease traps, incorrect sink placement, no proper segregation of areas. Professional help makes it easy. If you're feeling overwhelmed with the technical drawings and approval process, you don't have to do it alone. I'm a freelance specialist with extensive experience in preparing Dubai Municipality food safety layout drawings and getting approvals for restaurants, cloud kitchens, cafeterias, and all types of food establishments. I provide accurate, DM-compliant AutoCAD layout drawings, complete submission packages, guidance throughout the approval process. Fast turnaround to help you open on time. Whether you're starting a small cafe, scaling a cloud kitchen, or renovating an existing restaurant, I can help you get your layout approved smoothly and avoid costly delays or rejections. Contact me if you need professional drawings and support for your Dubai Municipality food safety approval. I work with many new and existing F&B businesses across Dubai and help them launch successfully. Iftikhar Ahmed, 0554 618 585.